Good to see all of you over here.
Good
Hi.
evening, Kavita ma'am.
Noise. Hi.
Good evening, Kavita ma'am.
I hope you can
Good
hear
evening,
me.
Kavita ma'am.
Good evening, my dear. Good evening, honey. Good evening. I can see Yan, Lan. I can see Rajvi, Abhiram, Sita, Ruhi, Rishabh, Ronald, Vihan, Nikit, Maya, Ranveer, Ayansh. Ayansh, is that sister too? Oh, I'm seeing Ayansh's sister for the first time.
Yes.
That's lovely. Parthik, Adira, Pranav, Navya, Subhan, and Rehan. Wow, that's lovely. We're actually waiting for a few more of them to join, okay? Those of you who are friends, know each other. Come on, एक दूसरे को hi बोलो. Come on, say hi to each other.
Hi.
Whoever know each other, say hi to each
Hi,
other.
ma'am.
We have another 2-3 minutes.
Hi. Hi, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening. Hi, ma'am. Teacher. Hi. Good evening, ma'am. Hi,
Come on, everyone say hello to each other. All those who know each other, सबको hi बोलो. Say good evening. जिसका dinner हो गया है, जिसका dinner
Good
नहीं
evening,
हुआ है,
ma'am. Hi,
सबको
ma'am.
नहा लिया है, जिसको नहाना है, उसको जो सुनते सुनते सो जाएगा या सुनने के बाद और जगेगा, उसको भी हाय बोलो.
Hi, Navya.
Yes. Hi Kavya, hi Subhan, hi Varushka,
Hi, everyone.
hi Tanishka.
Hi.
Come on, everyone say hello to
Hi, everyone.
everybody. Say hello to each other.
Hi, everyone. Hi. Good evening, Padmashri teacher.
Good evening, Abhiram.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, Rui. Good evening, all. Good evening, Parthik.
Good evening, Palna ma'am.
Vihan is
Good
also
evening,
here.
Maya
Say hello,
Ranveer.
Vihan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Varushka and all. Good evening, Vian and Elan.
Vihan and Elan. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Neil.
Good evening,
Harshul. Good evening, Nihan.
Hey, ta-da.
Good evening,
It's 8
Pranav. Good
o'clock.
evening, Tanishka. Good evening,
It's 8
Navya.
o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. And what is at 8 o'clock? What's at 8 o'clock today? Story time. Story time. Are we all ready for a story time? I just want to sure if everyone's ready for a story time. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone. Heart say thumbs up. Heart say thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Nice. Yes. I can see so many thumbs up. I'm also very excited to start my story time. Shall we? Okay. So for us to start the story time, I will have to slowly and steadily mute each one's screen so you can listen to me clearly and understand the story. Okay? Shall I start doing that, please? May I please put your mics on mute so we all can pay attention to the story? And at the end of it, I am going to be asking a bundle of questions to all of you. Are we ready? Shall we start the story? Okay. Now, this story is going to be a little different from most of the stories that many of you would have heard. Okay? It is not a hare and the rabbit story. It is not, 1 minute, somebody else has joined in. Let me just bring them in. Yes. It is not the crocodile and the monkey story. It is not the monkey and cat story. But this is Peter Parrot and his beak. I want all of us to promise one thing. When the story is going on, all of you are going to relax and sit back. And very importantly, not touch the screen. Okay? None of you will touch the screen, whether you're watching it from laptop, whether you're watching it from your phone. No touching the screen. Okay? Leave your gadget at a reasonable distance away from your hand. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. If I ask you for a thumbs up during the course of the story, you will tell that to me with your hands, not by touching the screen. Agreed? ठीक है? चलेगा? Thumbs up? Thumbs up? That's nice. No touching the screen. That's good. I'm glad you understood what I meant. We will give a thumbs up with our thumbs. Okay? Not with the phone or laptop's thumbs. I don't want that. I want you to give me your thumbs up. Okay? ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है मुझे. Yes, thanks Navya. Thanks for two thumbs up. That's nice. Thank you. Yes, Vihan is also giving me. Abhiram and Sita are also giving me two thumbs up. Thank you. Good. Varushka is also giving me two thumbs up. Varushka ने तो पूरा story time setting करके रखा हुआ है लगता है. It's all dark and she's waiting to enjoy the story like a movie time. Cool. Are we ready to start? Thumbs up. I am now going to share my screen. Oh, Vihan has also done the same thing. That's sweet. I am now going to share my screen with all of us and I will tell the story as the screen keeps moving along. Okay, so let's start. This story is about Peter Parrot and his beak. So who is this? Who do you think this is? This is our gorgeous blue Brazilian parrot. His name is Peter. And he is a Brazilian parrot, right? Peter Parrot one day had something in his mind. All right. So what he did is what will happen in the rest of the story. Okay. Now we are going to meet some characters that will be in this story. Okay. Now let's start. First, we have Sammy the Spoonbill. Have we heard of this bird called Spoonbill? If not, we will learn about it today. Okay, but this Spoonbill's name is Sammy. Okay, then the next person we have is Pammy. Pammy the pelican. Okay, have you heard of a pelican before? No. No problem. We will learn about it today. Okay. Next, we have Harry the Hawk. Have you heard of this bird, hawk? Yes, have you heard of this bird? Yes, have you heard of this bird, hawk? No problem if you have not. We are going to know about a little bit about this bird today. Okay. Then we have Freddy the finch. Have you heard of a finch before? कोई बात नहीं. If you have not heard of a finch before, no problem. We will learn about it today. Okay. Then there are two more important characters in this story. That is Peter Parrot's mom. Her name is Mrs. Cynthia. And this is Peter's teacher. His name is Major Macaw. You see, he is a big Brazilian bird with a bright yellow chest. Yeah, his name is Major Macaw in the story. So now the story starts. Okay. One day, While casually flying around and eating nuts, Peter Parrot told his mom, "Mom, I absolutely don't like my beak. I want to change it. Please, please help me change my beak." Mummy was shocked. She was surprised. Hey, you want me to change your beak? But then Mom, Mrs. Cynthia, respected Peter Parrot's feelings and said, "I completely respect your feelings, my dear. I suggest you go to meet Major Macaw. He will know what to do, as he is the wisest amongst us all and lives in a tall tree in the forest. He will know exactly what to do." Right? Do you think most of your teachers know exactly what to do? They do most of the times. Let's see if his teacher is able to teach him that. So Major Macaw lives on a tall tree. So Peter took flight. He flapped his wings a little bit. Then he flew high up to the tree.
Papa.
Then he
Papa.
met Major Macaw. When he met Major Macaw, he immediately told, "Hello, Major Macaw. I need your help to change my beak. I need a cool beak like Sammy Spoonbill, Pammy Pelican, Harry Hawk, or Freddie Finch." Major Macaw said, You are right. They do have cool beaks. So tell me, Peter, do you like eating worms?" Peter said, "Yuck! That would be disgusting. Why will I like that?" Major Macaw said, "Well, that's what Sammy Spoonbill eats because that is how her beak is designed." See, you all said you don't know Sammy Spoonbill, no? Look, this is Sammy the Spoonbill. She digs deep into the riverbed. Look at that. So then Major Macaw said, "Okay, so how about eating some fish?" "I couldn't think of something worse," said Peter Parrot. So Major Macaw said, "Well, that's what Pammy Pelican eats because that is how her beak is designed." Oh dear. So Pammy's beak would not work either. You see, a pelican's beak is designed to catch and gulp fishes of many sizes. Look at that. Look at a pelican's beak. It looks like one little bag. No? One big fish is sitting inside that beak. So a pelican has a big bottom side of the beak, which looks like a bag in which it can collect the fish with the water and go and sit on a nice rock and enjoy the fish. See that? See that? Major Macaw said, "Okay, so what do you say about rabbits and mice?" That's what Peter Parrot said. Now Major Macaw said, "Okay, so then you should not choose to have the hawk's beak either. You see, Harry the hawk has that beak so he can hook and catch small animals. You see that? Harry the hawk. Have you all seen a hawk? If not, look at this. His hawk is like a hook. The beak is like a hook. It can hook into the rabbit or the mice and make sure it doesn't fall. Hawks fly high up in the air. So they come with a huge flight down on the ground, hook onto the rabbit or mice, hold it into their beaks and fly high up in the air and sit on the mountains and relish that. अब ये भी पीटर पैरेट को अच्छा नहीं लगा. See that? So Major Macaw said, so that also would not work for you then. Okay. So how about some small seeds? Would you like to eat small seeds? He asked Peter. Peter said, well, that is not so bad. However, I prefer Brazilian nuts. They are yum. So Major Macaw said, wow, lovely. I have some with me. Would you like to eat one? So Peter Parrot was so happy. He said, of course, yes, thank you. Why not? So Major Macaw said, you see, a finch's beak is designed to eat small nuts. Freddie Finch enjoys small nuts. Hence, he has that kind of a beak. See, this is Finch. See what a small bird. Small, cute beak. So it can eat small little nuts. No? Look at that, look at that. Now, Major Macaw said, so tell me, Peter, would you be able to eat your favorite Brazilian nuts if you had a beak of a spoonbill, pelican, hawk, or finch? Now Peter Parrot was thinking and he realized, no, not really. I can't eat with my beak. I can't eat those things. And even if I could, I don't like those things. No, I like Brazilian nuts. Yes or no? Now Major Macaw sat on the wise teacher's seat and said, so Peter, by now I guess you have understood that you have been designed in a certain way with certain skills, attributes, and tastes. Do not waste your life being envious or feeling jealous of others' capabilities. Just make sure you know what you are good at and why you are here. Peter was finally happy with the answer and he flew back home with content. He initially flew slowly, then he picked speed, then he flew faster. Okay? So with that, I am going to share something that I think are Peter Parrot's strengths. After I finish this, I'm going to ask each one of you, okay? So I feel Peter Parrot has some very good strength in him, some very good qualities in him, something that he wasn't aware of, right? He can fly high up in the air. Remember, Major Macaw was sitting on the tall trees? Peter Parrot flew all the way high up in the air. He has a lovely beak. Why do I have two colors over here? If you must have noticed, Peter Parrot's beak near his neck is yellow in color and towards the end is black in color. Lovely, no? Two colored beaks. Now, Peter Parrot has a beautiful and royal blue stretch of feathers. Wow, what a beautiful color. He enjoys Brazilian nuts. Now, think about it. The finch, the small little bird which is like a sparrow, enjoys tiny nuts. While Peter Parrot enjoys Brazilian nuts. They are slightly bigger and very tasty. Peter Parrot, according to me, also has an understanding mother who heard him out and said, you know what? I think you have a point. You want to know something more about your body. You go to your teacher, Major Macau, and find out from him. He can help you get the right answers. Peter Parrot also has a very good strength. Having good people around you is important or no? It is a part of your strength. He also has Major Macau as his teacher who explained everything to him in detail. Do we agree? Do we agree? Can I see a thumbs up if you agree to what I'm saying? Do we agree he has a good teacher? Yeah? Wow, I can see two thumbs up. Wow, 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 wow. Very nice. Good. So now I am going to open the mic for each and every one of you to tell me what do you think is Peter Parrot's strength? Okay? It can be something that I have already written, or it can also be something that you came up with. Also remember that whatever you as a child thought is Peter Parrot's strength, one of your other friends in the story room would have already said it, but that's okay. We can appreciate one person multiple times, no? Yes or no? We can. Yeah? So I'm going to open the mic first for Neil. Neil, can you tell me what is Peter Parrot's strength? Yes, Neil? What do you think is his good quality? What do you like about him?
He has yellow and red stripe.
He has yellow and red stripes. Oh, did you notice that? That's amazing. Okay, I will take that as an answer. I will now go to Vian and Elan. Both of you, what did you think is Peter Parrot's strength? What are the good qualities according to you?
Hi.
Go ahead.
Hi, ma'am. Fly high.
It can
Fly high?
high.
Okay, that's a good quality. Yes. You can fly high. That's nice.
Ma'am,
It has a beautiful beak.
it
It has a beautiful beak.
he has a beautiful beak, ma'am.
That's lovely. Thank you so much. Mihan, can you tell me something that you liked about Peter Parrot?
नेहा क्या अच्छा लगा क्या बताऊं मुझे बताया आपने वो बताओ कि पीटर पैटर हाँ किसकी बात सुनता है
अपनी मम्मी की बात भी सुनता है
और
टीचर की बात भी सुनता है
और आप भी और मेहन भी हाँ ओके
Okay, thank you so much, Mihan. That's really sweet. Thank you for that answer. Abhiram and Sita, tell me, what do you think are Peter Parrot's strengths? Children, I want all of us to listen to everyone's opinion, okay? Yes? Yes, Abhiram?
Have good mother.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's a strength. Okay. Yes, Sita, you tell me.
Brazilian nuts.
Eats Brazilian nuts. That's a strength. Wow, that's nice. Okay, cool. Parthik, you tell me. What do you think is Peter Parrot's strength?
Peter Parrot trick is very good, and his mother also good, and bird also good.
Bird is also good. Okay, lovely. Nikit, what do you think is Peter Parrot's strength? Come up, Nikit. Come.
He can long up fly.
He can fly up high. Okay, I guess that's what you said. Am I correct? Did I catch it right?
Fly high.
Fly high. Okay, thank you. Vihan, Vivan, what according to you is Peter Parrot's strength? What do you find good about Peter Parrot? Vivan, you look at me and tell. You heard the story. You tell me, what did you like about Peter Parrot? What do you think is his strength? Would you want to think and come back later, Vivan? Will that be fine with you?
Yes.
Okay, sure. I'll come back to you a little later. Mrunal, what do you think is Peter Parrot's strength? What did you like? आपको क्या अच्छा लगा? Peter Parrot के बारे में आपको क्या अच्छा लगा?
Blue color.
Blue color. Wow, yes, that's royal blue color, huh? Definitely. Yes, Rajvi, what do you think is his strength?
I think he can fly so high.
Wow, that's true. He can fly really high. He's a Brazilian bird. He lives in a rainforest. So all these Brazilian birds fly quite high. Adira, what do you think is Peter Parrot's strength? Adira? What do you like about him? Blue color. Wow, okay. One more blue color we have. Navya, what do you think is Peter Parrot's strength? Navya, your turn. What according to you is good about Peter Parrot? What did you like about him? Yes, Navya? Navya, we can't hear you. Are you saying something? Open your mic and then say it. Yes, tell me. What is it that you like about Peter Parrot? Okay, would you just want to write and show it to me on the screen, what you like about him? Yes?
Right.
You want to just write and share it? Yes, I will wait for you to do that. While I'm going to other children, I will come back to you once you write it for me. Yes? Is that fine with you? Yes, Navya? Okay. I'm now going to go to Vihan. Vihan Singh, who is sitting in a theater. Yes, Vihan. Is my network breaking up?